Hello buddies! Welcome to your channel RIDDLEQUEST.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our super fun channel! Today, we're meeting some super squad members, the Zesty Citrus crew. But what are citrus fruits, you ask? Well, imagine a group of fruits that are all bright, tangy, and full of vitamin C. They're like sunshine packed in a juicy peel. Yo dudes and dudettes, I'm Orange, the OG citrus champ. I'm bursting with vitamin C, which helps your body fight off yucky colds and keeps you feeling strong.
Vitamin C for fighting colds, huh? Sounds awesome, Orange. But aren't you a bit, well, too orange?
Don't be silly. My insides are juicy and sweet, perfect for a refreshing snack or a yummy glass of orange juice. Speaking of yummy, have you subscribed to our channel yet? We have tons of fun and educational videos about all sorts of cool things, just like these amazing citrus fruits. Click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Hey there, little detective. What's your name?
I'm Lime, the zestiest member of the squad. I may be small, but my tangy flavor adds a zing to everything, from guacamole to cool summer drinks.
Zesty flavor for adding zing? Cool. But aren't you a bit too sour?
Don't let my sour face fool you. I'm full of vitamin C too, just like my orange friend. Plus, I help make yummy treats like key lime pie.
And hey, if you learned something squeezy today and want to see more fun and fruity adventures, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of citrusy content coming your way, so you won't want to miss a peel.